No opening clip today. Guess I just figured it was time to get down and dirty and do a little bit more cleaning on Little House in the Desert. Um, Again, I'm playing catch up. It is Thursday, January 12th, um, our oldest son's birthday. And it's actually kind of, I don't know, amusing to me, or I find it interesting. This footage here was filmed on Thursday, May 19th, which is my mom's birthday. So I don't know, just some random information. But here I am. I'm cleaning that tub. Not that we're planning on using it anytime soon, but it was pretty gross. I think those birds had roosted on it at some point. So I'm just organizing paperwork from our tractor and hanging it up. Um, yeah, lots of random stuff. Whenever you're doing a building project, I don't know, at least for us, stuff piles up, stuff gets put in strange places. We did when we moved back from Gila Bend, we just put a lot of stuff in here that was out there because it will probably be useful out here at some point. But you just kind of put it wherever. At least we do. I know there are some very organized people out there. I I like to think that I could be organized, but I don't know. So here is my attempt at trying to be organized and also just clean up some of the mess because we're not living here, obviously, but it was pretty gross. And I'm having issues, man. The hose on this shop vac is I think it's the diameter. I think I called it the circumference in the ending part of the video, but the diameter is rather small and I kept getting miscellaneous pieces of debris stuck in it, so I was employing the PEX to, kind of rot it out. Um, but yeah, I am going ham on that floor, and it's kind of entertaining because man, if only I could clean at this speed in real life. I'm watching myself on the video just crank it out here, and it's like, I want that energy. I want that. If I was a superhero, that'd be my superpower. Let's like crank through some of this stuff really quickly, make it go faster, so I have more time to edit videos, go hiking, and some other fun stuff. But um, dealing with some of the stuff that's in those bins over there. You can see the stove has gotten moved. Just I'm trying to shift things around again, organize it. Yeah, that bird poop on the floor is something else. Yeah, here I'm digging through one of those bins and boxes. That was stuff that was from out in Gila Bend, and again, it is probably going to be very useful. But, yep, vacuuming the corners. Um, Texting. Yeah, I did a little bit of texting while I was there. You need to take a break once in a while. Um, yeah, shifting stuff around again, in and out. I mean, some of the trash is actually just going out. And then, yeah, one of these days, my dream is to have a place where everything has a place, where it's put away, and I don't have to play the great shifting, moving game in order to clean. And yeah, those sheets of wood, we do need those. I think we've actually used some since this footage was done, but I am moving them, vacuuming between them. It seems like, well, the feathers stuck to them, but then the spiders like to kind of like whatever in between them, so they were dusty and webby, and you know, I'm going to town here. Yep, vacuum up some more of that, and then need to move all that pipe. So that they were pretty dusty and whatever. I just kind of dusted them off, vacuumed behind it. And in a few minutes here, you'll probably see, won't be a few minutes on time lapse, be much quicker than that. I get out the bug spray because just to kind of do a, you know, spray around the edge of the house to help discourage some of the spiders and creepy crawlies. Arizona has lots of spiders and creepy crawlies. I can do regular spiders. I mean, I don't like them, but you know, we have black widows, we have brown recluse, we also get scorpions. And if you can deter some of that from getting in your house, even here, you know, when you're touching building materials, if you can, you know, discourage them, it's helpful because you don't want to get stung. But yeah, shifting it back, getting close to wrapping it up today. Feel like I made some progress. Watching it now makes me feel a little bit motivated. Directionally Challenged Tiger here this Thursday, May 19th, back at Little House in the Desert. And again, today I spent just cleaning up the interior of the lower level or main floor. I moved this wood around a little bit, vacuumed some feathers and cobwebs and like spider shells. Ugh, I don't like spiders too much. I really don't like creepy crawlies, but I guess that is part of life. I did a little bit of work on the pipe, as you'll have seen in the footage. Just kind of, I mean, nothing crazy, but I just dusted it off, vacuumed again the feathers and the cobwebs out of it. And then I didn't really touch that corner or those cabinets. That is stuff that I think he needs to go through. But I shifted around some of the tools and the miscellaneous screws and stuff we have for projects just so that I could clean up by the pipes. And oh yeah, that thing was frustrating me today. If you get a shop vac, a larger circumference for the hose is better. I had a packing peanut get stuck. So yeah, you'll probably see a little bit of me fighting with that in the time lapse that I took today. But I cleaned up the tub, which we're not planning on using this tub. My son is planning on using it, but it was pretty nasty from sitting here when the birds had gotten in. So I just wiped it down and, you know, made it look a little bit better. Not a whole lot was done over here today. I did add a bin, and then I've got some paint cans that I probably want, so they're just gonna stay there for now. But yeah, I mean, definitely not move-in ready, or as they would call it, turnkey. But I'm feeling a little bit more, what do you want to say? It's feeling a little bit more like home, and you probably think I'm nuts, but you know, if we get a full functioning bathroom in here, I could probably do it. I mean, we did a year and a half out at the K2 he shed, she shed, so yeah. But anyway, tomorrow is Friday. I will probably wait to come out here tomorrow until he gets off work. And yep, so later I need to get home and take a shower. I'm dusty and warm. Till next time, Directionally Challenged Hiker.